My name is Anne, and I'm from ReverseResources. It's the first online platform to create visibility of textile leftovers from garment production, so that global brands and buyers can have access to the materials for reuse and recycling these more efficiently. Textile industry is considered to be the second most polluting industry sector after oil business. You probably know that all our clothes are ending up in landfills as post-consumer waste, and it's a big problem. But what you don't know is when you buy yourself a new shirt from a shop, then 20% of the material stays back as leftovers at the other end of the world in production. So it means that there are 10 million tons of leftovers available this way that could be reused and recycled better. It's 40% of this is in China, 2% in Bangladesh. You don't really realize how big the textile waste problem is there unless you see these piles of leftovers there physically. Factories say that it's not a problem because we can get rid of these materials quite fast and efficiently, just selling it to local market with low price. But they don't know what happens to it afterwards. But when we say that they could actually earn 3 to 5 times more from these leftovers if they use them better, then the circular economy starts to make sense suddenly. So this is why ReverseResources brings this material information into a central catalog, making it available for brands and buyers to make purchase orders on these materials. We work together with upcycling designers and different partners to figure out better ways how to reuse and recycle the materials. And we charge based on the amount of materials that gets booked through our solution. We won the Global Change Award from H&M Foundation. We got a €150,000 award to prove this concept. We are now running a pilot together with H&M and Tesco. We validated the idea with many other brands. We have 7 suppliers in Bangladesh and China, and by end of January we will be mapping 1,000 tons of materials per month, which could be turned into 400,000 new garments or products. And this is our team. We are bringing together experience from industry and supply chains in Bangladesh, software development in Estonia, upcycling design from UK, and different other areas through our mentors and consultants. But to take this big opportunity and take it from pilot to full-scale service, we need a usability designer, marketing specialist, and next seed funding of $500,000. Thank you.
So I don't quite understand the process of how so it's a marketplace, and how does the inventory so how do you keep track of the leftovers to get into the marketplace?
We create a connection with the information system of the suppliers, and we exchange information over API. So it's kind of like bringing them into a cloud.
Do the suppliers already know, or do they have to create a new system to keep track of the leftovers?
We track fabrics from their system, and we give them tools to track leftovers on top of it. So it's a bit extra work for them, but it's relatively small effort. We have tested in 3 factories in China already, and it's quite easy to get this information going.
Could you tell us exactly how you're getting that information, though? That's what I'm missing.
How exactly?
Yeah.
Over an API connection. What do you mean?
Thank you.
How does the consumer get into this? Do I want to buy the leftover fabric?
We have to move on.
Not the consumer, it's for brands and buyers.
We have to move on.
Thank you.
Thank you.